Hi guys, it's Channing here. I'm sure you've noticed today's video is a get ready with me. Totally different from any content we've ever posted here. But before we get into today's video, I do want to announce that today's video is sponsored by Dossier. They have been killing the perfume game since 2019, being a fair alternative to luxury perfumes. I'd recommend this company to both men and women, not only because it smells so bomb, but they deliver only the best quality luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair and transparent price and allow you to explore new scents. Like, your options are endless. The scent I chose is Powdery Hawthorn, which is basically Tom Ford's metallic. It's a very subtle, clean scent with orange blossom top notes and vanilla base notes. Guys, I just wanted to spray it everywhere. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Dossier also sends you a sample that you can try and test before opening the 50 milliliter bottle in case you don't like it. The bottle is a great size, as you can see. The top is magnetic, and I'd most definitely recommend it. The options are endless, as I said before. You guys can check my description box for links and my discount code as well. This is actually my second experience with Dossier because I was gifted a bottle of the Oriental Cherry, which is Tom Ford's Lost Cherry, and it's unisex, and I absolutely love it. If I could wear that every day, I would. So guys, if they pop up on your timeline, and I know they will because I've seen it countless times, give it a go. The link and the discount code can both be found in my description box. And if you're anything like me, this one is definitely the on-the-go perfume. It's definitely in the purse. Let's go. Oh, hey girl. I know you probably weren't even expecting me to be looking like this. But yeah, this is me. I'm about to take a shower. Let's go ahead and jump in. So after about 45 minutes, here I am again, being oh so dramatic. I'm not always this way, guys. And we're about to get all lotioned down. I wanted to show you guys this Cantu Lotion. I'm not sure if you guys have ever seen it, but if you see any of them, they have quite a few scents. Just try one of them. It's amazing. I absolutely love it. And I think you'll love it too. So yeah, I'm just gonna lotion my whole body down. Guys, please excuse me for being so absent-minded. I turned off the camera to moisturize my body and I completely forgot to turn it back on, so you guys missed me cleaning my face. So I used my Bliss face cleanser. You know, we can do a whole skin regimen if that's what you guys are into some other time. I went behind that with my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair because I love to use that. Then a moisturizer, and then I double moisturize because right now I'm just applying some Bliss moisturizer on top of that. And I brush my teeth with Colgate. It's all very simple. And now I'm just going to move into the hair. I'm going to take these perm rods out. What I have here are some braids with a perm rod at the end. I use some of my Design Essentials Curl Enhancing Mousse. I absolutely love it. I think this was I'm not sure, was this my first or second time using it? I've used it twice now, but I love the product. Girl, she gets the job done. I went behind that with some of the Afro Sheen oil. You guys know how, we want that moisturized look once we take our hair down, kind of like this. I absolutely love the results. But this is pretty much what I do, since this is how I wear my hair now. I haven't really been able to get you guys caught up, but I have some heat damage or something going on in my hair. I'll probably have to do another big chop at some point. It wasn't my doing. But, we're just going to make the best of it until we're ready to get rid of that hair. So because I'm not a makeup artist, we're going to try and get through makeup really quickly. I'm just going to start by brushing my eyebrows up. Then I'm going to go behind that with my Benefit Brow and add some shape to these things because they are not done, girl. Then I'm going to go underneath that with my Juvia's Place concealer. I'm actually using 2 different colors because I ordered it online and neither of them were my color. But I'm able to, you know, kind of tweak it a bit by mixing the 2 colors together. So we're just going to sharpen that brow, make it look a little bit better. And I'm going to let this sit for a while. Now I'm rubbing in my primer. I'm using the Patrick Star One Size Secure the Blur. Secure the Blur. It's really hard to say, guys. So yeah, we're just gonna rub that in and then we're gonna go behind that and just blend out this concealer. Once I blended out that concealer on my eyelids, I actually put some more on the back of my hand and I kind of blended that down. So I went ahead and went under my eye as I was blending that out underneath my brow and on my lid. So once I've blended out that concealer, it's time for my foundation, and I like to use my Smashbox Studio Skin foundation. It hasn't failed me. I've been using it for years. I like to focus on my imperfections, which are normally on my cheeks. My cheeks bother me quite a bit, so while I would like some coverage in all the other areas, you know, you'll see me focus more on my cheeks. Now I've added all of my powders. I'm just using some Fenty bronzer to warm up my face, warm up the skin. I'm going to define a few areas, adding a few contours, a few shadows here and there. You know how it goes. When I got to my eyes, I continued to keep it very simple. I just added one color, a brown, from my Juvia's Place kit. Then I went in with my Milk Cosmetics mascara. And we were pretty much done, girl. This was a very, very simple look. Just a little Becca highlighter. And then we're going to go in with our lip liner from NYX. It's Brooklyn Thorn, and yes, I need a new one. I chose Oyster Girl Lip Glass by MAC. I've been loving that lately. It's such a beautiful color. And now we're just gonna spray with our Kat Von D and we're done. Guys, I wouldn't be chanting if I didn't go back to my hair and fluff a little bit more, break it up a little bit more, try something different, decide I don't want it that way, go back to what I had previously, you know, before I'm absolutely done with my hair. But it turned out gorgeous. I love it. The goal here is to style this Zara vest that I just put on, okay? I purchased so many different items. I started off with this bandeau top and the biker shorts, and that was kind of the look that I was going for. I'm like, yeah, this will look really cute with some heels. But looking at it, I'm just kind of like, I could do better than that. I thought the sporty look was really cute. I paired it with a pair of Stan Smiths. Then I put on a pair of shell toe Adidas. I thought that was super cute. Then I also purchased these faux leather shorts. I thought they looked super cute with it. Of course, you guys can see that I've gained some weight, so I wanted to fill in those sides. I got a little back roll, girl, so I don't have that opening on the side when I wear the bodysuit. And I thought this was a much more mature look. You know, it's more of a date night look, in my opinion. So I thought that was pretty cute, but the only thing that bothered me was, you know, my shorts were kind of hidden. So I had the option of wearing the vest open or closed. I thought it was really cute. I showed it to you guys with a pair of heels, and then I paired it with a pair of flats for like a night out on the town type look, you know, something really comfortable. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.